Hey again, Josh here with HomeSync Security. Wanted to take a moment and go over how we install cameras and what makes them secure. When you're putting up a camera, you want to make sure that you have no exposed wires. It doesn't make much sense if somebody can come up and just cut the wire and lose your video feed. It's not very secure then. We also make sure that we cover any of the holes that the camera may have existing on there. This prevents bugs from getting into your attic, which can eventually get into your house. We want to protect you from that. I also wanted to go over the positioning of the camera. Every camera has a point of pixels. In this case, it's going to be looking at our van as well as my Jeep over here. When positioning the cameras, you want to look out for things such as this ledge that's sitting right here. If the camera had any of that inside of the picture, it's actually going to flood out the image at nighttime because the infrared's going to hit this and then it's going to bounce back in, which completely floods out your image, and that's no good. So some of the helpful things that you'll get with HomeSync Security, if we could be of any help, let us know. Thanks.